I'm Sir. This is DeepSeer, a production-focused decentralized prediction market. The core idea is simple: user trade market outcomes on-chain, and settlement is secured via data feeds, Chainlink data feeds, automation functions, and CRE, plus a determined AI risk analyzer. So this is not just a UI demo; it is a full end-to-end settlement. So I'm going to go through the user flow. So tend to prediction market contracts. The funds is escrowed in treasury, and the life cycle is controlled by settlement engine. Automation triggers lock and resolve windows. Functions provide an independent risk signal, and the CRE listens to the on-chain events like it fetches external price context and our fast API risk services. Then submit the send report to the settlement engine. Then the settlement engine merges these and resolve the market. Show the deployed contracts and conflicts. We have separate addresses for the factory, prediction market, treasury, and a settlement engine, each with a role-based access control. I also run a pre-flight validation for mismatches in configuration, including function source, CRE, workflow wiring, and settlement engine addresses consistency. This is important because most of the failures in Web3 demos are configuration level. So, live this is the live user flow. So here it's a market app. So this is here I created now this project will work or not. So if I click on that, it will take me to the trade trade tab where a user can place their bet. This is a binary type. So here there are yes or no available. So next there is a analytic tab. So this will show the analysis of your market or any other markets. So next there is a ARS tab. This is actually the Oracle. So yeah, so here you can see the source agreement. So here you can see the markets, Oracle market state and on-chain trades and settlement Oracle. So next there is a governance tab. So here user can create the voting procedure and others can vote on them. So yeah, here I created just on demo voting process. They vote for it or they can vote against it. So next there is a create market tab where users can create the market. So here it is. There are like four types. One is a binary, another one is a scalar, and another one is a categorical, and another one is a conditional. So this is a binary. There will be two outcomes, yes or no. So next there is a small tab called learn. So here user can learn about what is prediction market, how it works, and how the AMM works, and set how the settlement is gonna handle this prediction market. So how the AI scoring is works, and they can learn how to read the charts. So I'm gonna wrap this up with my GitHub repo. So here is a backend AI. So it contains the Python code like main.py and scheme.py. So it runs the AI services, and there is a backend for the backend connection. So then with the contracts, then there is a contract folder for the contracts. Then there is a CRE workflow. So how the CRE is implemented, you can check on that. So there is a front end. So and then I have so the readme of this file will explain this project briefly, how the AI is integrated and how the AI will help the prediction market, how uh, the Chainlink, the CREs are implemented, Chainlink automation functions and everything. So I have added the structure or a mermaid code for this project, how the workflow of this project is going to be look like, and the user flow, and then there is a CRE flow, and there are a lot of things you can just check on. So if you want to run on your system, so you can just clone this repo and install the dependencies and set the .env credentials, and uh, you can run the development. So to run the AI risk analyzer, so you have to go to the Python backend AI and install the requirements and just run it there. So yeah, you can just check on everything. So there is a separate document folder for the implementations like architectures and Chainlink references and deployment guide and the security checklist. So what I have added and other things. So yeah, you can just check on this. Thank you.